taking. We're gonna have a new cut down here, maybe expose some Indian heads or treasures. The ground is just sopping wet, so I'm just stocking up some dirt here for a couple more days when I can get the skid steer out here. I need dirt all over the farm, non-good dirt, clay I should say. So I'm just making some more piles so that once it dries up a little more, I can start moving some dirt around. I got the big 3-foot digging bucket on. Nice day to be outside. Alright, so those two piles up front, I just moved those. This big one, I just added it from this edge here. And then this hole down here, I created this whole big double pile here. So if it don't rain and it keeps up the wind, this stuff will be dry in a day or two. At least dry enough to bring the skid steer out here. And I really want to get dirt on that dam before I let the water out. So that's my hope, but I am going to let the water out soon because all of the other ones around that the DNR runs, they just let all the water out of those. Okay, this pond is a little bit fuller than it was meant to be. But look at this here, look at this white turds. Could that possibly be a duck? I really don't see much for tracks, but this clay is beat down from the rain that 2 nights ago. I hate draining it, but it's time to make it better this year. Definitely. There she blows. Man, that's going to be a lot of water. Oh, I'm getting wet. Woo! Yeah, it was still running over right there in that spot. So the plug worked out perfect. It was pretty much flawless, and it worked a lot better than those two gates from a couple years ago. Oh, it just sucked the spider down in there. I wonder how long it'll take, and we're gonna have a new cut down here, maybe expose some Indian heads or treasures. I suppose it'd be nice to have a way to drain it a little slower, but whatever, right now that's what it's gonna be.